So one of the things I'd like to discuss with people, and it's one of the trends that we see. So in the database administration trend, we see databases getting bigger and bigger and more complex, and we see a combination of shortage of DBAs. The other thing, and if I think about it, at Ntirety we do a lot of healthcare business. I use the analogy of you have a MD that you go to for your overall health. Well, if you need brain surgery, you don't go to a general MD. And if you need something done with your foot, you would go to an orthopedic person. And so as doctors have evolved, they have all these specialties. Well, so have DBAs. When I first started working with Oracle, there were 3 books for everything. I could be the DBA that knew it all. Today, that's frankly just not possible. I call it the DBA silos. You have production DBAs, you have development DBAs, and what makes a good production DBA does not make a good development DBAs. You have business intelligence DBAs. You have, data warehouse DBAs. You have Oracle Apps DBAs or dynamic DBAs. You have virtualization DBAs. You have VRAC DBAs. So I call it the DBA silos. The database becomes so complex, it's beyond the capability of any 1 or 2 people to understand it all. And when you're dealing with things like Microsoft clustering, you're trying to virtualize your databases, you're trying to develop a cloud strategy, you're trying to consolidate your databases, you're trying to develop best practices, you need a team of DBAs, which is specifically what caused me to develop a business like Ntirety in the first place. I recognized early on it was beyond the capabilities of the average mid-sized company to deal with the complexities of the technology that's out there today that keeps changing. And so I would say to you, you want to prevent DBA burnout? Get an extra set of arms. You want to prevent DBA stress? Get a team of DBAs, which you get at Ntirety, so that we have the right technologists working with your technologists to get you the right answer, and more importantly, keep everybody happy and stable. And so I would encourage you to work with us to let us help you with your database administration needs, because to be honest, if you don't, you're just going to burn good people out.